Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Burkina Faso. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, a lot of countries are issuing e-visas nowadays. And it's good that Burkina also has this process. So this is their official site. You go and click on login. I know, like it will ask you to register. So if you have not registered yet, click here. So do this registration and then I'm going to show you from there. Then what happens, it's going to send you a link to your email to do the verification. After that, when you get it, on clicking the link, you can click on new application and it will open. Now, the very first thing you need to do is to select the nationality. So do it as per your case. I'm just putting a sample purpose. Let's say you're going for Holland tourism, which type you want. So like if you are going for short stay, single entry, express visa short. Now you can click on this. Now you need to provide information. You need to do as per your case. This is just a sample. I'm just putting sample. Okay. Country of birth, city of birth, relationship status, single occupation, number of children. You need to do as per your case. Occupation. Oh, you have to select from here. Okay. Mobile phone number. You need to do. Home address, country of residence. Let's say I go for India, state, Delhi, New Delhi, street address, whatever it is. I'm just putting some sample. Emergency contact. Sample. Okay, now comes passport information. So I'll go for this. Just sample, guys. Place of issue. Be very careful when you enter these details. These details should match your passport. Otherwise, you may have trouble. Even minor mistakes you should avoid as much you can. Expiry date. This will easily appear on your these details are on your passport. Port of entry. You can select as per your travel plan. Intended date of entry. You can select from here also instead of typing. I select this one. Maximum length of stay, let's say 15 days. Telephone number for full name, telephone number of the correspondent in Burkina. So it could be like your hotel contact, friend, wherever you are going. Proper mode of transportation. Destination, I'm just selecting this. You will have as per your case. Okay. Now you need to upload your photo. First page of passport, international certificate of vaccination, proof of accommodation like hotel booking and all, health insurance, and then next page it will ask for the payment. and from there it will go through. So, and if it is granted, you're all good to go. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.